Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Sell This Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are replacing the turn signal switch on the 2007 Chevrolet Malibu. This repair is estimated to be an average of $170. We're going to knock that down to just the price of the part, and this walkthrough guide is going to walk you through it to save you all that money. So let's jump in it, guys, get you back on the road.
In this video, we will be replacing the turn signal switch on the 2004 to 2007 Chevrolet Malibu. This repair is estimated at $170, but with this guide, it will only cost you the price of the part. Let's jump in it. If you have not unhooked the battery yet, now is the time to get that done. Okay, go ahead and just take the negative terminal off of the battery, set it to the side. Just like that. Alright guys, so here we are on the 2007 Chevy Malibu. As you see, my turn signal is very sad. It needs to be replaced. So we went ahead and took the 3 bolts out from in here. They are 7mm. As soon as we take that out, we can go ahead and separate the steering column plastic. There we go. We're just gonna work that out some. You see, just use both your hands if you have both your hands. If not, you're okay. All right. You guys see, I'm just gonna flip that up like that. There we go. And this other one we can go ahead and take down. Okay. There we go. All right, now we can see that a lot. We can see that a lot better now. Now with the battery unhooked, we can go ahead and disconnect the plugs on the back of the turn signal module. After you get done unplugging the back, there's a tab at the top and a tab at the bottom. Go ahead and press those tabs in. And bring the turn signal module out. There you go. Old one is out. Here's our new one. The link for this one is in the video description down below. Line up the new turn signal module and press it in. Make sure the clips are brought up. If they did not snap into place, go. There we go. Mine just needed a little bit of help. Maybe yours does too. If it does, just help it out a little with your trim tool. Do not force it. You're not trying to break it. You're pressing in on the turn signal module and up with the trim tool, putting the tab into place. All right, let's go ahead and reconnect the harness in the back. There we go. Now with that reconnected, we are good to go, and we can go ahead and put our plastics back on. And great job, guys.
Well, there you have it, guys. The turn signal switch is now replaced, and you are good to go while saving yourself a little bit of money. So congratulations and great job on this replacement. on your Chevrolet Malibu. If this video helped you today, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the like button so YouTube and myself, it just tells us that I'm doing a good job with the videos and it's helping you guys out, saving you money. And it's music to my ears when you guys let me know in the comment section that you got back on the road due to this video. So thank you so much, guys, and until next time, hey, keep on wrenching. Take care, guys.